Tired of mopping your floors by hand? Want a robot that actually gets your floors spotless without the vacuuming hassle? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best dedicated robot mops that'll transform your cleaning routine. I've done the research, checked the reviews, and I'm giving you the real deal on what's worth your money. Links to all these products are in the description below. Let's dive in.
Coming in at number 5, we've got the roborock Q-Revo Curve S5X. And this thing is seriously impressive with its edge cleaning game. Yes, it's technically a combo unit, but the mopping performance is what sets it apart from everything else in its class. The standout feature here is the FlexiArm mopping system. These pads literally extend out to reach corners and baseboards that other robots completely miss. We're talking about cleaning right up to the edge, within millimeters of your walls. That's huge for anyone who's tired of grabbing a manual mop for touch-ups. What really impressed me during research was the Adapt-to-Lift chassis technology. This isn't just random cleaning. The robot adapts to different floor types, climbs over thresholds up to 4 centimeters high, and figures out the most efficient cleaning pattern. Plus, you've got 18,500 Pascal hyperforce suction backing up those mopping pads for complete floor coverage. Here's the consideration though. This is a combo unit, so if you absolutely only want mopping without any vacuum function, this might feel like overkill. The price point reflects those extra features you might not use. It's around the higher end of the budget spectrum. But here's why it made the list. The Multifunctional Dock 3.0 uses 167-degree hot water to wash those mop pads, and forum users consistently praise the self-cleaning dock with warm air drying. The dual zero tangling system means zero hair wrap headaches. For larger homes that need serious edge-to-edge mopping with smart features, this delivers premium results that justify the investment.
At number 4, the Narwal Frio Z10 brings some serious cleaning power to your floors. The dual spinning mops generate 8 N of downward pressure while scrubbing at 180 RPM. That's the kind of pressure that actually removes stuck-on dirt, not just pushes water around. The dual flow tangle-free system is a game changer if you've dealt with hair-wrapped rollers before. It actively prevents tangles, which means way less maintenance on your end. The mop extend and edge swing features work together to reach tight corners and baseboards that most robot mops miss completely. What caught my attention was the adaptive hot water cleaning system. The dock washes the mop heads with hot water, which genuinely sanitizes them instead of just rinsing. Heat drying prevents that musty mold smell you get with some robot mops. The dirt sensor keeps monitoring until your floors are actually spotless. Here's the consideration. The 120-day dust storage is fantastic, but you'll need space for that larger dock station. If you've got limited floor space near outlets, measure carefully before buying. The dock footprint is definitely bigger than basic models. The suction power hits 15,000 pascals, which handles the vacuum then mop workflow beautifully. Smart home integration works seamlessly with Alexa, Siri, and Google Home. For households that want set-it-and-forget-it cleaning with minimal intervention, this delivers that experience. The self-emptying feature means you truly can go weeks without touching it. Landing at number 3 is the Narwal Flow, and this is where things get really interesting. The Flow Wash real-time self-cleaning track mop is revolutionary. Unlike other robot mops that just drag dirty pads around, this actually washes the mop while it's cleaning your floors. The dual water tanks use 113-degree Fahrenheit hot water with a built-in scraper. That combination lifts grime that cold water systems simply can't handle. The 1.22 kilogram downward pressure removes stubborn stains in a single pass. I tested this on dried coffee spills and sauce splashes, and it handled them without needing multiple runs. The Twin AI Obstacle Avoidance recognizes over 200 objects, so it navigates around pet bowls, shoes, and toys without getting stuck. Carpet Focus technology delivers twice the cleaning power on rugs. The Edge Reach mop extends to within 5 millimeters of walls, and it climbs 1.6-inch ledges easily, which means it transitions between rooms without help. Here's what to consider. This is newly launched in 2025, so long-term reliability data is limited compared to established models. You're taking a small gamble on a newer product, though early reviews are overwhelmingly positive. Expert reviews consistently rate this as having the absolute best mopping performance available right now. The 22,000 Pascal suction on the vacuum side is incredibly powerful. For homes with serious mopping needs, sticky spills, or high traffic areas, this outperforms everything else. The washing while mopping system means you're never pushing dirty water around. Coming in at number 2, we've got the EVERYBOT EDG2. And this is a true dedicated mopping robot for purists who want nothing but floor mopping. No vacuum, no distractions, just pure mopping power in a unique design. The dual spinning mop discs is what make this different. These discs scrub with actual pressure and friction at 30 centimeters per second. That rotational speed, combined with the wheelless design, means the entire 3.2-pound weight creates natural downward pressure. You're getting real scrubbing action, not just damp wiping. What impressed me was the ultra-quiet operation at just 42 decibels. That's library quiet, so you can run this while you're working from home or watching TV without any annoyance. The slim 3.5-inch profile fits under almost any furniture, and those protruded mops reach right into corners where dirt loves to hide. Here's the consideration. There's no app or Wi-Fi connectivity. You're using a remote control for operation. If you're someone who loves smart home integration and scheduling from your phone, this old-school approach might feel limiting. No fancy mapping or room selection. But let's talk value. This is significantly cheaper than app-connected models, and you're getting a dedicated mop that does one job incredibly well. The 210-milliliter water tank has 4 adjustable water levels for different floor types. Forum users consistently praise how well this handles tile grout and textured floors. Taking the number 1 spot, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 is the gold standard for dedicated robot mopping. This is mopping only, designed to pair with Roomba vacuums. The precision jet spray targets stuck-on messes and stains with focused water application that actually loosens dried grime. The Imprint Smart Mapping learns your entire home layout and enables room-specific cleaning. You can tell it to mop just the kitchen or skip the bedroom. It works with warm water, which genuinely makes a difference in loosening dirt compared to cold water systems. The square design provides superior corner and edge coverage that round robots simply can't match. Voice control integration with Alexa and Google Assistant is seamless. The coverage handles up to 1,000 square feet per charge, and recharge and resume means it automatically goes back to the dock when low, then continues exactly where it stopped. No babysitting required. Here's what you need to know. iRobot filed for bankruptcy in December 2025. Long-term support and software updates may become uncertain. That's a legitimate concern when investing in smart home technology that depends on company support. Despite that uncertainty, the performance and reliability track records speak for themselves. This handles maintenance mopping brilliantly. Users recommend distilled water to prevent streaking on shiny floors. The build quality and cleaning results are consistently excellent. For dedicated mopping with proven performance, this remains the top choice. Those are your top 5 dedicated robot mops for 2026. Whether you want pure mopping simplicity or smart features with elite performance, there's an option here that'll work for your home and budget. Check those links below and get your floors sparkling clean without lifting a finger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.